Good Good morning, everyone. My name is Shiv Singh Verma, and my topic is day school. I want to tell you something about day school. Uh, Firstly, I want to tell you if your children is if your children go for study from your home, it is the day school. If I talk about of achievements of this topic, so there is so much achievements because of uh, if you want to give some knowledge according to you and give some culture according to you, so you can give also to your children, and they can also get too much knowledge from school also. So there is so much better there is so much better for your children that we should go for day school. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everybody. I am supporting boarding school. Firstly, I tell you that what is a boarding school? Boarding school, when a student living in a campus and where he study and also live there, it is called a boarding school. So it's lots of it's. I am. It is true that firstly, when student first time go to boarding school, sir, it's face many problem. Firstly, he missed lots of to her parents, and also when first time children go, he also not know how to live there and lots of responsibility. But it is a good thing for children. Like when a first time go, then it is face difficulty, but slowly, gradually he learn all the things. Then he living, then he living in their hostel or room aside of their college. Then he started their life, and after living there, he also faced many problems. In this way, children become more and strong by emotionally and also how to deal the life because when he grow up, then he or she may not face any problem. Also, if he face problem, then he tackle very easily. So it is a good things. That's why most of the colleges like IT and most of the MBBS college are have hostels. So because of because students when living there, they learn then how to run their life and adopt their society. So it is a good thing. Uh, Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Anup Sharma, and I'm supporting Delhi School. Actually, sir say that every many thing about boarding school that is good, and according to my opinion, if any children is studying on boarding school, according to me, uh, there is many lacks of social activities. If any if any sorry, today's too cold. If any children study in daily school, he able to learn about social knowledge, and he know everything that how to treat from his elder brother, elder sister, and his family, grandmother, grandfather, and many persons that how to treat each other. If if any children take takes daily school routine, uh, if he has any kind of problem, then he can tackle from his problem to supporting his family, and uh, also his family knew about his education. After then he came back at home, then his family also asked to him what kind of you study today and what not study, and which type of teacher in your college there is college there in your college, and what kind of person do you meet in your school? Actually, according to me, if your child learning in daily college, you can you can know about everything about your children every day. This is my point. So, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. And my name is Shikha Gupta. According to my opinion, boarding school is where student or many students live over there and same campus, and they learn many things, and they learns like swimming and dancing and all many activities. They they involve all things, and they learns discipline. So
You guys speak well, but if I talk about day school, so children also learns many things from their schools, but as well as if they learn culture, then they will survive uh, survive very carefully in culture, because of if you are learning in school, it is good, but if you are not knowing any kind of culture of the um, outside, so you cannot survive in future in public, because of there is so much ridiculous peoples also, and so much type of if you are doing any job, so you cannot be able for uh, for a for taking good job, because of you will have to meet to farmers, you will have to meet to many public, so you should go for uh, day school, because of there is so much possibility that you if you want to anything, so you can achieve. Thank you.
It is good that you say that in home it- after coming from school, so they get a good sufficient time so they can learn traditional. But I am saying that like in hostel, like boarding schools, where all the children are under the living under the same roof, where all the children learn the same things. Like when after schools, the children learn singing. Like after, most of the school students come home after they didn't like do nothing, like they study, obviously they study and do something like skills. But when hosteler student, after finishing schooling time, they most of this time they playing, learn many type of skill. It is like playing or singing. So because they get an environment, like a school student come home, they didn't get environment. If he has joined many institute, then he will go there, otherwise nothing. But hosteler, he there is a lot of student, and so there are many students who are good in singing, so they make a group of singing, so they can learn the singing. And if most of the students are like a player, so they make a group and learn the playing games. So it is a good things. And also you said that traditional, uh, there student all the students living from different traditional, and they respect their traditional, and they not learn their respect, they also learn their not learn their traditional, they also learn the traditional of other people. Like we are living like a hostel living in a hostel, so they celebrate their festivals and many traditionals. Also they celebrate the other person who is belonging to other traditional. So in this way, I am not saying that in living hostel it is a bad thing to learn traditional. According to me, it is a good because there will learn other traditional also, and also if a student living outside, uh, firstly he facing many problems already, so he doesn't feel difficulty in future. And if I talking about if he living in hostel, he has good relationship with teachers and also spend more and more time with teachers. And teachers are students are under the guidance of the teachers, and many guide members, so it is a good thing. I am saying that their students are not free, like students are free to do any activity, but there are students are under the guidance of the teachers and guide member who control the student to do not activity. So it is a not I'm not saying that it is a bad thing. So it is a good thing.
Sir, I getting your point. I'm getting your point. Firstly, uh, student go to the school, take school, so enhance skills and activity and more responsibility. How to uh, how to survive in future and more than more and
Actually, my friends say many things about daily school, and I also want to say something. In daily school, in daily school, if our children go to school in daily routine, the come back at home, after come back at home, then our children meet our family and elder in बुजुर्ग को क्या कहते हैं सर? हाँ? बुजुर्ग बूढ़े लोग and he met grandparents, and they teach him how to treat your grandparents, and they also telling him about his past life and cultural program related many things, and how to treat and how to celebrate, and how to they are celebrating in his past life, everything they teach him and teaches him. And if any type of any kind of problem facing the children related to um, his college and teachers and student, they can also tell his family about that thing. If you are living in boarding school, there is many type of problem. Because there are many type of problem. If any teacher misbehaving to you, then you can't do anything, because they are your parents. Their teachers are your parents and you take care. That's why they if they any kind of give you problem, you can't do anything. Only you only you are surviving there, not live your life that place. And if any kind of student any kind of student um, uh, परेशान को करना परेशान करना irritate. If any kind of kind of student irritating you, then you can ask about him to your teacher. But there is everything depend on your teacher. He will punish him or not, everything. But when any kind of student irritate you anytime, when you come by when your children come back at home, he also tell about everything to to her his parents, to what happened in college. And again next day, parents also go there, and go there, and they talk about his problem to teachers, and they ensure there no happened again this kind of a problem. That's why daily school is important, because your children is because your children is everything for you until he not yeah, grown up. That's why if your children is studying on daily school, it is good. It is good. सर, इसको क्या कहते हैं कि ये बहुत बड़ा मिलता है अपॉर्चुनिटी। नो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं, इसका कुछ एक अलग सेंटेंस आता है, सॉरी सर। देर इज गुड थिंग थिंग अबाउट योर चिल्ड्रन। ओके, थैंक यू।
Sir, I agree with you that in uh, day school, uh, children are under the guidance of parents, and also children is very important for parents, so they want to keep with them. But what happens when they are grown up? They have to face the problem of life after some time. So it is good that parents should take care and keep eye on them, but they have to let them go outside and learn the life how to live, because we have to face in the same society where lot of things happen every day, and so I where we have not to involve them also, we have to protect from them, from the wrong things. So because when a person like a person who doesn't have parents, then how he manage, he only now he only now how he can manage. So it is a difficult for the parents to keep and children away from them, but it is a important thing in this time, because uh, like children have to go study abroad for the studies, like most of the children go for Kota and Kanpur, other metro city for preparing their exams. They live there 2 3 years for preparing exam, and I have also seen that lots of student spoil their future by involving their in activities. It is a bad thing, but I am suggesting I am suggesting to parents, keep an eye on them, and call, and by calling uh, they can keep eye on them. Also, they visit where they are living in hostel or rooms about their city. So it is a good thing that when a student go abroad, but it is a responsibility of the parents and student also, how to protect from the wrong activities and many other things. So it is that.
I also agree with you, sir, and I support you. But if I talk about uh, daily school, so you are knowledgeable person is good, but if you don't have any type of culture, if you don't have any type of just good relationship with your family, if you don't have emotion, because if I talk about board school students, so if any students is living in his hostel, so I think the students has no emotion, because of they cannot get emotion from their family. But if I talk about students, so I think if you don't if you don't if you don't have good base, so you cannot be good uh, build a building. So if I talk about If I talk about children base age, so firstly, I think up to 18 years, I think parents should allow for daily school, just because of there is so much problems in the children's life, in your life also. But after 18 years, you are also able for going abroad and anywhere. But if I talk about up to 18, so it is not good that you are you are you are uh, throwing your children on board school. It is not good. But because of some children is I think will be bad from hostel, because of there is so much children and they guide them for taking liquor, for taking tobacco also. So it is very bad, I think. Thank you.
Sir, I agree with you that you raise a point that in hostel, most of the students fall under the bad habits and get get to bad. So I also want to say that uh, if a student is living in a hostel, uh, firstly, the person who is becoming bad, it is a not only the condition of, because he also want to do consume liquor first time. uh, First time it may be forcefully consumed by her group, but after 2 3 times he started consuming by itself. So I can say that that's why I'm saying that in hostel we also learn a lot of things, that how to adopt a friend, how to make a friend. Like many of the friends make friends because she and he have money, so it helped me, and she is beautiful, and in this way may she make friend. But after spending some time, I realized it is bad. But we are fall in friendship though, so can also not deny him to take cigarette or alcohol. So it is important to wisely choose our friends group, and also uh, because we have to we have to living with them in a hostel. So most of the time we spend with them. So it is important to make a friend by wisely. So we can learn lot of things also, and also if I have good friend, then friend also prevent me from dropping in bad habits. So it is good to find a friend in a hostel's life, so they help you also academic study, and also from following the bad habits. If my friend is bad, then obviously I will become bad. That's point.
If your friend is bad, then it is not it is not possible that you will be bad just because of your mentality. But if I talk about up to 18 years, yeah, before 18 years, so there is no common sense in children that it is good or bad. They will try, and after that they will addicted to drugs and many things. But if you are go for daily days, so after some time, just if any person force you, if your friends forced you that it is good and you should take it. And after that, when you will go for you will go your to your home, and if your parents know about you that you are taking drugs, and then your parents will make you understand about drugs. It is not good, it is bad for our health. And if I talk about teacher also, uh, if I talk about teacher, so teacher will teach you. It is them duty, not your mother and not your father. So they will they will go for their duty, not for just they will tell you it is bad, but they will not tell you that they will not tell you briefly uh, that it is good, it is good, bad. But if I talk about my mother and father, my parents, if I talk about, so they will they will teach you about they will make you understand about the drugs, it is how it is good and how it is bad. They will give you example also, if any kind of neighbor. So thank you.
You want to चल ठीक है it's okay. So actually you guys performed well. If I talk about the topic, so it was spoken nicely by you guys. The expression was good. You guys spoke well. But one things I have some cross questions. I'm going to ask for first from day schooling. So listen to me. If your parenting is good, suppose your father or mother they gave you good education at home, but as you know that people life is too hectic now. They are too much busy in their work. So how they can give you all the experience, how they can just share all the things when you are studying at home. I'm saying that if they are facing the problems, firstly my question goes to this side because you guys are supporting day school. So cross question is that if a student, suppose your children like they are going to school, when they are coming, really it is happening at home that you are going to ask questions that what did you do in your school, what did you study at your school today? No, because we don't have proper time. Housewife they are making food at home, and after coming from your parent, if I talk about your father uncle, they are coming from actually work, so they are being tired, so they are going to take rest. So it means they are not fully disciplined to study. What do you think about that? Who will take care of them if they are too much busy in their life? So anybody would like to answer it? How we can upbring our children with a good way actually they are getting or not?
Sir, you are right, but if I talk about in my, so if I will be parent, so if my children will go for school and come back to my home, and after that I have no time, and my wife has also no time, and but it is not possible that daily I have no time. I will be when will I have time, then I will make him understand and make him teach about the sense of humor, about the knowledge, and thank you, sir.
Yeah, explain well. Sir is telling about actually his future. I was asking questions about the past. Actually, that was very nice. He explained well. He spoke according to his experience. That was very nice. So I'm coming to you, boarding school, right? Parents they don't have any kind of emotion that they are sending their children out of their home. And the second things, if they are studying at the hostel and they are living with the teachers over there, what is a guarantee over there they are studying at their room? Maybe they can do something bad at the room. They can like sir said that they can take liquor, they can smoke over there. Because company does affect. One person will be bad, so obviously they can be under the guidance of that, but they will smoke over there. Why? Because they are getting the atmosphere. What do you think about how we can maintain, how we can discipline them to study actually at the hostel if they are studying in a school as well as they are going to live in a hostel? How you can maintain all the things? I don't think so. So please tell me so.
Sir, it is too related topic for me because I am also living in hostel. Firstly, parents send to student their children to hostel because his parents and her parents also understand that living with parents is too comfortable. But how much? Because after some time they have to live alone, and also they have to go abroad for studies. So it is important. Also, sir, you are saying that in hostel we fall in. If I get bad friend, then what we do? Because they force me to do something wrong. Firstly, when you enter in college or hostel, firstly you have to choose the friend wisely, because choosing friend is very important. Also, when someone force you, firstly we have to deny it, because in hostel we can also not fight with them. Firstly, we politely request to not uh, not to take a liquor or many bad things like taking alcohol or cigarette and many bad other things like most of the friend of my friend also request me for watching movie all day, but I denied. I can only see short time. So it's depend upon you also because the person who was forcing you only force you only for few minutes or few time. If you are ignoring day by day, then after that that person also ignore you. So it is important also not fight with that guy, and also not accept their request to do bad activity. It is a good way. So that's
Thank you so much, sir. You explained well. Both team actually, you effort. It was effortless. You played well actually, and you spoke well. So, guys, actually, if you learned something from this video, so please, after watching the video, if you recommend any topics, so I will discuss about this topic again in this team. So, thank you so much for watching the video. And please, if you want to, again, I'm saying that if you want to know about anything else, actually, so you can just comment and just tell about the topics. I will recommend them. They can discuss about the topics. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye and take care, guys.